Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. In today's video, yes, another unboxing. I am sharing with you my latest edition from the Chanel current collection, which is 2021 spring summer, and this is one of my favorite colors from Chanel. It's a light pink and I'm absolutely obsessed. Let me know what your thoughts are. Did you get anything from this collection? Hope you're doing well. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you need any information about this product. I'll be happy to share it with you. Take care. Bye bye.